Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of how to speak Bosnian. Today I'm teaching you a few items in Bosnian in regarding to kitchen. Stay with us. Okay, so now I encourage you to repeat these words after me so that you are also familiar uh, with these words when you travel to Bosnia and that you also know how to pronounce them correctly. Okay, so let's go. Čaša, čaša or glass. Šolja, šolja, mug. Filjan, filjan, coffee cup. But keep in mind this is a small coffee cup for Turkish coffee. Jezva, jezva. Jezva is Turkish also coffee maker. Tanjir, tanjir, plate. Zdjela, zdjela, bowl. Kašika, kašika, spoon. Vilica, vilica, fork. Nож, nож, knife. And the last word we have is tegla, tegla or jar. Čaša, čaša, glass. Šolja, mug. Filjan, filjan. It's a small coffee cup specific for Turkish coffee, as you can see in the picture above. Jezva. Jezva refers to a specific Turkish coffee maker, as you can see in the picture above, made out of copper. Tanjir, tanjir, plate. Zdjela, zdjela, bowl. Kašika, kašika, spoon. Vilica, vilica, fork. Nож, nож, knife. Tegla, tegla, jar. Now let's repeat all of these items once again. Čaša, glass. Šolja, mug. Filjan, coffee cup, specific for Turkish coffee. Jezva, Turkish coffee maker. Tanjir, plate. Zdjela, bowl. Kašika, spoon. Vilica, fork. Nож, knife. Tegla, jar. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us today. For more awesome videos, don't forget to like us, subscribe, and leave comments below so that we can create more awesome and useful videos for you in the future. Thank you again, and until next time, ciao.